This is video of Ruthie going out with some boots and my coat into the first snowstorm of the 2011 season, 2010-2011 season. And there she goes walking. Well, I gave her my coat, so I am a little cold right now. And there she goes. Those are her footsteps, zigzagging into the snow as she walks down yonder. She's walking into the courtyard. There is near a soul around, and she's playing around out there. She just fell into the snow making a snow angel, which I am not going to be able to see from this vantage point. So I'm really sorry I won't be showing that. She's waving. I just waved back. The date is December 26th. 2010. Apparently she's very warm in her coat because she's going farther and farther away. Looks like she's on her return trip. And it also looks like the boots are working. Skippy is up on the stairs looking down. Hopefully he doesn't come running out. I suspect that if he does, and when he hits that snow, he's going right back in. And there's my sweetie pie, a little bit more frozen. She didn't wear her hood, so now she's probably a little bit more colder. And there's the wind picking up. I'm going to show Poopy and Skippy, who were up there looking at us in the snow, and they just started running. And there is Ruthie.
Oh, baby, it's bad out there.
It is, right? And the snow on your hair makes it look like gray hairs.
It's really brief.
Really? Oh. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was our small little video of the first snowstorm of the 2010-2011 winter season.